TDAC is a digital arrival card required for entry into Thailand. Starting May 1, 2025, all foreign nationals entering Thailand, whether by air, land, or sea, must register for their TDAC in advance. In this video, we will provide a clear step-by-step guide on how to register for your TDAC and highlight important points to keep in mind. If you have your passport and accommodation details ready, the registration process takes only 3 to 5 minutes and your QR code will be issued instantly. Now let's walk through the steps together.
This video is an updated version of our May 2025 guide, revised with the latest information. The key changes are as follows. Departure flight info is now optional. Even if you haven't booked your return flight yet, you can proceed with the registration by leaving this field blank. Simplified health declaration. Unless you have stayed in a country at risk for yellow fever, you no longer need to provide additional health information. Case sensitivity improvements. You can now enter your address and email using lowercase letters. Automatic capitalization. Passport numbers will now be automatically converted to uppercase, even if you type them in lowercase. Effective May 1, 2025, online TDAC registration is mandatory for entry into Thailand. The previous paper arrival card, TM6 form, has been discontinued, and the transition to the digital TDAC system is now compulsory. Please be aware that you will not be able to clear immigration without this registration. Make sure to complete your TDAC before you depart. To complete your TDAC, you will need to enter the following information. Please have these details ready before you begin the registration process. Passport information, full name, passport number, nationality, and date of birth. Personal information, your occupation, correct home address, and phone number. Travel details, arrival date in Thailand, country of departure, purpose of travel, mode of transport, and flight number. Accommodation information, your address in Thailand, including the hotel name, district, and postal code. Health declaration, a list of countries you have visited or stayed in during the past 14 days. Before we begin, here are some critical points to keep in mind. Case sensitivity. Most fields must be filled out in all capital letters, uppercase. However, the address and email fields can now be entered in lowercase. Name matching. Ensure your name is spelled exactly as it appears on your passport signature. Correcting information. After submission, most details can be updated using the Update Arrival Card function. Non-editable fields. Please note that your name, passport number, nationality, and date of birth cannot be changed once submitted. If you make a mistake in any of these 4 fields, you must start a new registration from the beginning. No autosave. The registration form cannot be saved midway. Please ensure you have all necessary information ready before you start. Health declaration. Be truthful in your health-related answers. Providing false information may result in denial of entry to Thailand. Visa holders. If you require a visa for entry, you must also enter your visa number. After submitting your registration, most fields can still be modified using the Update Arrival Record function. However, the following 4 items cannot be changed: full name, passport number, nationality, and date of birth. If you make a mistake in any of these 4 fields, you must start a new registration from the beginning. Once you re-register, the most recently issued QR code will become the valid one for your entry. To register for your TDAC, visit the official website at tdac.immigration.go.th. Click the Arrival Record button and enter all the required information. After you have reviewed your details in the preview screen, click the Submit button. Please note that registration is available starting from 72 hours before your scheduled arrival in Thailand. All information must be entered in uppercase letters, all caps. Please note that entries in lowercase or Japanese characters will be invalid. The only exceptions are the address and email address fields, where you may use lowercase letters if preferred. Please ensure you only register for your TDAC through the official website at tdac.immigration.go.th. When searching online, use keywords such as TDAC Thailand or Thailand Digital Arrival Card. Registration is completely free of charge. Any website requesting payment is a scam. Please do not provide your information or make any payments on these sites. Before submitting your arrival record, please check the box that says "Verify that you are human." This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized registrations by automated bots. Simply click the checkbox to confirm you are a human user before proceeding to the next step. Once you access the official website, click the flag icon located in the top right corner of the screen. A list of languages will appear, allowing you to select your preferred language. The site supports multiple languages, including English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Russian. Once the screen changes, click the blue Arrival Record button on the left side. By clicking Retrieve from Passport, the system will automatically scan your passport information and fill in the corresponding fields. This is a convenient option if you want to save time and effort. If you choose not to use this feature, you will need to manually enter all details, including your full name, nationality, passport number, and date of birth. Enter your family name, surname, and first name, given name, in all capital letters, ensuring the spelling matches your passport exactly. For example, if your name is John Smith, enter Smith in the family name field and John in the first name field. Please note that all fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory. Enter your passport number exactly as it appears in your passport. It will be a combination of letters and numbers. Please note that passport number formats vary by country. Check your passport carefully and ensure you enter the information accurately. To select your nationality, type the first 3 letters of your country code into the input field to see a list of suggestions. For example, if you are from the United Kingdom, type GBR, and GBR British will appear. Once you see the correct option, simply click it to select it. Next is your date of birth. Please fill in the 3 separate fields for year, month, and day. Clicking each field will open a drop-down menu. For a faster experience, you can type the numbers directly into the fields to quickly filter the options. Next is your occupation. As this field is marked with a red asterisk, it is a mandatory requirement. Please type your occupation directly into the field. For example, if you are a pensioner, enter retired. Other common examples include student, freelance, or business owner. Choose the term that best describes your current status and enter it in English. Next is gender. As this field is also marked with a red asterisk, it is a mandatory requirement. Please select the option that applies to you from male, female, or undefined, and check the corresponding box. All you need to do is make your selection. This section is only for those who already hold a visa. If you are entering Thailand under a visa-exempt status, you can leave this field blank. For a country of residence, please select the country where you currently live. A list of options will appear when you open the drop-down menu. To find your country more easily, type the first 3 letters of its name. For example, typing GBR will bring up the United Kingdom. Select the state or province where you currently reside. A list of options will appear when you open the drop-down menu. To find your location more quickly, type the first 3 letters of its name. For example, typing LON will bring up London. Entering a phone number is a mandatory requirement. For the United Kingdom, the country code is +44. When entering your phone number, please omit the leading 0. For example, if your number is 07911123456, you would enter it as +44 7911123456. Once you have finished entering your phone number, click the Next button located on the right side of the screen. Enter the date you will arrive in Thailand. You can type the date directly into the field or select it by clicking the calendar icon. Fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory, so please ensure you fill them in. For example, if you are departing from the United Kingdom, enter GBR or United Kingdom. A drop-down menu will appear as you type. Entering the first 3 letters of your departure country is the quickest way to find and select the correct option from the list. The purpose of visit field also has an asterisk, so it must be filled out. If you are traveling for tourism, please select Holiday. Open the drop-down menu and choose the option that best fits your travel plans. For most travelers, selecting Holiday is correct. If you are arriving by plane, please select Air as your mode of transport. Select your mode of transport from the drop-down menu. For most travelers arriving by plane, please select Commercial Flight. Enter your flight number by typing the airline code followed directly by the numbers. For example, please enter it as TG123. Providing departure flight information is optional. While we recommend entering your departure date, mode of transport, and flight number if you already have your return ticket, you can still proceed with the registration by leaving these fields blank. Entering your mode of transport is optional. Entering your mode of transport is optional. Entering your departure flight information is optional. If you're staying at multiple locations, please enter only your first place of stay upon arrival in Thailand. There's no need to list any subsequent accommodations. Here is how to enter your accommodation address in Thailand. First, select your accommodation type. Choose hotel for hotels, friend's house for staying with friends, or apartment if you own or rent a property. Next, follow these steps for the address. Number 2 is the province, 3 is the district, 4 is the sub-district, 5 is the postal code, and 6 is the street name and house number. If you are staying at a hotel, please make sure to include the hotel name in the address field. For example, if you're staying at the Dusit Thani Bangkok, you would enter Dusit Thani Bangkok, 98 Rama 4 Road, Silam, Bang Rock, Bangkok 10500. Please select the accommodation type that best matches your stay. As this field is marked with an asterisk, it is a required item. Click the drop-down menu to view the available options. Select Hotel if you are staying at a hotel, or Apartment if you are staying in an apartment, your own home, or a rental property. The province field is mandatory. Clicking the drop-down menu will display a list of available provinces. To find your destination quickly, you can type the first 3 letters of the province name. For example, typing Chi will bring up options like Chiang Mai. The district/area field is also mandatory. Clicking the drop-down menu will display a list of options. You can quickly narrow down the list and find your destination by typing the first 3 letters of the area name. The sub-district field is also mandatory. Please select your area from the drop-down menu. You can quickly filter the list and find the correct sub-district by typing the first 3 letters of the name. The postcode must be entered correctly as a 5-digit number. Please enter your address. In this field, provide as much specific information as possible, including the hotel or apartment name, building name, room number, street name, and house number. As this field is marked with an asterisk, it is a required item. For example, Chiang Mai Riverside Boutique Hotel, 33/3 Chowran Rat Road. Please enter the accurate details according to your place of stay. Once you have completed all fields, click Next at the bottom right of the screen to proceed to the next step. Step 3 is the Health Certificate section. Most travelers can proceed without being asked for additional health information. Unless you have recently stayed in a country at risk for yellow fever, no further details are required. Please list the countries you have stayed in within the last 14 days. If you have only stayed in the UK, please enter GBR. A list of options will appear in the drop-down menu. You can quickly find the correct country by typing the first 3 letters. If you have stayed in multiple countries within the past 2 weeks, please ensure you list all of them. Once you have finished entering all the information, click Preview to review your details. If any corrections are needed, please go back and edit them. If you are traveling with family or companions, you can add them by clicking the Add Another Traveler button. You can register up to 10 people in a single application. Please review your information on the preview screen. If you find any errors, select Edit to make corrections. Important: your name, passport number, nationality, and date of birth cannot be changed after submission. Please double-check these details carefully on this screen.
There are 3 final steps to complete your registration. First, enter your email address. Next, check the I agree box. Finally, click the Submit button to send your application.
Once registration is complete, a confirmation email with a QR code will be sent to your registered email address. You may be asked to present this QR code during immigration. We recommend saving it to your smartphone or bringing a printed copy with you. If you do not receive the email, please check your spam or junk folder. If you were unable to register in advance, you can still do so using a kiosk terminal at the airport. Kiosks are available at Suvarnabhumi, Don Muang, Phuket, Chiang Mai, and Hat Yai airports. Once registration is complete, a QR code will be displayed on the screen. Please take a photo to save it. Upon completing your registration, you will receive an email containing a QR code. You must present this QR code during immigration. Please save it to your smartphone or bring a printed copy with you.
The requirement to register for the TDAC depends on whether you intend to clear immigration. If you are entering Thailand, registration is mandatory. However, if you are only transiting through the airport without entering the country, registration is not required.
If your flight or accommodation details change, please update your entry record card to correct the information. The most recently submitted registration will be the one that is valid. That completes your TDAC registration. Registering in advance will ensure a smooth immigration process. On this channel, I share helpful tips for living and traveling in Chiang Mai. Please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Enjoy your stay in Thailand.